That's highbrow humor right there. There we go, tractor loaded lane. That's all in the holiday. That's with friends and family at the Jingle Jamboree. In a gear and leather chair. Coast loving time of year. Brothers from the store and drink the Jingle Jamboree. Swinging, swinging, sleigh bells ringing. Tractors keeping trailers swinging. Still up kids while they are going. That's what I'm always showing. Hey, what, Tractor? Twist and twirl. I bet a good truck now to weed. Look there, son. Ain't my tree with a shiny new truck. Yesterday, the Jingle Jamboree. Swinging, swinging, sleigh bells ringing. Tractors keeping trailers swinging. Oh, what fun it is to ride. All the eyes we're slipping, sliding. Bring it home, Tractor. Now you're done. Season's meetings, everyone. Y'all come back for New Year's fun at the Jingle Jamboree. And keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your trailer. And keep an eye on your little ones. Heck, gumdrops, this is gonna be more fun than the time of St. Christmas. Hola, a dodo. Por favor. Para su seguridad. Permanente. Yeah, gumdrops, it's the holidays. It's my favorite time of year. Cruising down the flows for some antifreeze. My muffler's warming up around. Decorate, celebrate, all good things. It's Christmas and radiator rain. Gonna have to trim the tree with hubcaps all aglow. We don't put up the ornaments while the wind tells them where they go. Red has a star, Flo starts to sing. It's Christmas and radiator rain. Merry Christmas! Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Season's greetings, everybody! I'll make my little new singing call. I'm so glad we're good. Present that I've been wishing for is a brand new replacement hood. I hear them sleigh bells ring, it's Christmas and radiator rain. Through that damn Route 66 here, it brings all good out. Now these ornaments are all shiny like the piston cup. Oh, when you see what Santa brings, it's Christmas and radiator rain. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Shoot, I just love this time of year. All right, grab all your junk and enjoy the holidays here in Radiator Springs. Happy holidays, everybody. It's May. The roads out there may be icy, so listen good. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt secured fast. And keep your hands on your feet and legs inside your trailer. Keep an eye on your little ones. Now let's get this jamboree jingling. Hola, a dodo. Por favor. Para su seguridad. Permanente. Since she's on it, they seguridad.
Sorry.